getting close to bedtime. So all the makeup's off for the day. Skin prep is done. Skin care is done. And guess what arrived from Ups? My Charlotte Tilbury mystery box. I wanted to share this with you as soon as possible, which is tonight, with nothing on my face except for skincare. I got the skincare box and I got the stocking. So I'm going to share both of them with you. We're going to start with the skincare box. It has the full size, which is 30 ml, of collagen superfusion facial oil. Look at this. I'm so excited. Let me show you the size that I currently have is this, and this is how much I've used of it. I love it. I love the smell. I love putting an oil on my face to just seal in everything and to help hydrate and lay a great foundation. So now I have a giant bottle that will last for a good long time. It is $85. But I didn't pay $85. 15 ml Magic Eye Rescue. And the retail on this is $65. Again, it's something I'm currently using. I do really like it. Here's the one I'm currently using. And see, there's a nice big divot in there. And this is one of my newer Charlotte products. I'm very happy with it so far. Magic Hydrator Mist. I wanted to try this. And this has been in my cart, but I haven't bought it. And then I was really hoping it was going to be in the skincare box. This retails for $47. It does have a scent to it. It's a nice scent. Goddess Cleansing Ritual Miracle Spa in a Jar Duo. The retail on this is $46. We're going to do both of these, but not tonight because, like I said, face is already done for tonight. So retail total is $243, and the skincare box is available for $121. It's half price. And they included a sample of Charlotte's Matte Revolution in Pillow Talk. Oh goodness, they know how to do stockings at Charlotte. Look at that. That's huge. It's nice. It's velvety. How pretty. Magic Cream. I love this so much. Flawless Filter, which I just took the stopper out on mine, so I have a whole bunch more to use. And the Beautiful Skin Foundation, Super Nudes Lip in Cover Star, retails for $35. Oh, that's really nude. I don't know. And yeah, I have a lip mask on, but we're gonna try that anyway and see. Exaggerize Eyeliner, retails for $32. And this is what you get if you get it in the US. If you get it anywhere else, you get the Super Nude Duo Liner. But we got the Exaggerize. Black, like a pearl nude. Can you see that? So that'll be great for in the waterline. It'll be great for exaggerating your eyes. Oh, maybe that's why they named it that. The Push Up Lashes Mascara in the color Dream Pop, which is that reddish, burgundy-ish, brownish, not black color. Retails for $29. Eyes to Mesmerize. This is an eyeshadow pot, so you can see it, and you can open it. And you take some and you put it on and you smudge it out, and it is the easiest eyeshadow look ever. It's really pretty. Rose Gold, and the retail on this one is $35. The Glow Glide Highlight Architect, Pillow Talk, retail on that is $48. Here's how it looks, that nice pink. And we got a freebie sample, Magic Cream. I love the Magic Cream. I'm so glad they sent a sample of that for me. Pillow Talk Lip and Cheek Glow in Color of Dreams. Now this is lip and cheek. There's the color. Put a little bit on. You're not gonna be able to tell because I am so heavily moisturized. As you can see, I'm still peeling on my lips here, and they're still healing, but they're doing so much better. So hopefully they'll do even better tomorrow, and I can do some of this lip stuff some justice. But the retail on this is $40. Crystal Dimension Eyeliner. This looked amazing. I could barely find it on the website. It was $32 retail, but it was out of stock. I really wanted it bad. Look at that color. Here's how it's gonna go. Nice and skinny little line there. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Can you see it? Where is it? Right there. So we have the eyes, we have the cheek and lip, and it's an eyeliner, right? And it's that gorgeous pink. I cannot wait to use this, especially whenever I do my pink eyes, my pink looks. This, I'm so excited. Out of all of the stuff from the second box, This is the one I'm so excited about. But I'm excited about all of them. What would I have bought? I would have bought this for sure. The Lip and Cheek Glow, because I haven't tried it and it looked very good. The Push Up Mascara, this I've actually been eyeing because I wanted that color. Ooh. And the Exaggerize Liner I've been looking at. So those ones I would have bought. And just those ones paid for the price of the box, right? So what did I get for free? I got the lipstick, Glide, Eyes to Mesmerize, a little mini. Was it worth it? Yes. How can you get this? Well, check out her app. I recommend the app over the website because sometimes they have special deals if you're on the app. And there is a link in my bio because I am one of Charlotte's stars. Right, so check out the link in bio. Check out for your discount code. They have a discount going on right now. And these guys, when they're gone, they're going to be gone. So I don't know if they're going to restock or not. If so, grab the boxes. So keep a watch on it and see. And we'll do some Charlotte later on this week.